Hi guys, welcome to my June X month 6 month week. Let's get started. ये वीडियो लंबा होने वाला है until I get my delivery order for food. I can just shoot a video. Yeah, I have written my goals. It's very good book. ये stickers मैंने लगाया है by the way. By Simply Scribble. I'm gonna buy this next year too. तो हमारा जैन में जैसा सबका गोल होता है to go gym and kid you not I went one day. उससे ज़्यादा मैं गई भी नहीं हूँ. The goal was to study on a daily basis, which I completed because I knew I had a college fest coming up in March, and I was part of it highly, and I had other committee commitments. And मेरे state up 15 दिन before my second midterms and before my finals के project submissions वगैरह होने वाला है, तो it's gonna be a mess. तो मैंने पहले से ये सब माइंडसेट रखा था कि इस सेमेस्टर हम पढ़ेंगे. तो दैट स्टार्टेड वेल. आई ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड राइटिंग माई रोमांस नॉवल, which is a very good thing. I was keeping track of stuff in January, and I started the Becoming series also in January. I had great trips with my friend. Like मेरी एक checklist तो हो गई भाई. Things जो January में हुआ, it was very normal, but I was doing daily work, enjoy करते हैं I feel. But yeah, फिर Feb में we had exams, तो उसका तो prepare हो गया था January में. Yes. फिर I had events during the time of my parents' anniversary, so I couldn't go and I was really sad. Exams मेरे was not bad. I performed like 70% of my expectations, which is not bad.
फिर मेरे को मौत आ गई क्योंकि मेरे को पता है कि मुझे मैथ से सख्त नफरत है. लाइक कि नहीं अब करना पड़ेगा. लाइक द सब्जेक्ट्स आई स्कोर्ड लीस्ट इन व्हिच इज लाइक 5 and 6 is the subject which are of math, which is probability and statistics and ME. तो आई एम लाइक कि भाई अब तो मतलब फोड़ डालना पड़ेगा कुछ.
फेब में थोड़ा आउट ऑफ हो गया था क्योंकि फ्रेंड्स आ गए थे. वी वर चिलिंग आउट, गोइंग अराउंड, so that happened. I met mostly Zain in Feb, which is a very beautiful thing. I completed my writing of the romance novel in Feb, and I was iterating it. I also started creating content on Instagram, like on a daily basis. But then I felt like, nahi yaar, I'm not that good at talking or like voicing out my stuff. It's better of a vlog thing on my Instagram. Then I also went on a Microsoft event from my committee, which I am now a director of media and creatives in that committee. So yeah, that is one thing tick off. I literally put in director, creative director in my vision board, and I got the time. March was chaotic bhai. March में होली से it was all started. होली पे we went out with our friends. Then था 7 to 13th, जो पूरा week था, was damn crazy, but it was the most fun week. Like living on one meal, hanging out with friends, doing committee duties, being responsible, learning how to coordinate, talk with people. And I had joined a new department just for experience in the fest, which was also great. So it gave me a bit of confidence. We had exams from 23rd to 30th. Thankfully, I could get like good marks. I studied. I could cover up in the 1 week time which I got. I left everything. I was like, नहीं पढ़ाई ही important है. And yeah, I scored good in every subject else from probability and statistics, which is fine. Okay, not bad. You can't do everything at a time. Also, we went on a Honey Singh concert, which was in middle of my exam. But OMG, you cannot miss Honey Singh's concert. And I had like put too many things on my March to-do list, which is very 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 bad. क्योंकि मेरे से सब नहीं हो पाता भाई. मैं डेली चीज़ों का लिख रही हूँ कि 1-2 लीटर पानी पीना है, मेडिटेट करना है, मतलब खाना है. But at least I practiced my affirmations and journal. Then came all the submission season. Everything like slowed down. We didn't have to show up to college too many times. We accidentally planned a trip to zoo. We also went on a Pauna Lake trip in March, which was from our college, which was also fun. It was like, वहाँ से I feel I started emotionally draining and I didn't want people around me. That was the start, I feel. I am so tired. I'm not doing anything, and still, why do I feel so tired? He told me that it's not your physical exhaustion, it's your mental exhaustion. Get rest, take a break, bro. In April was an exam season, so it was. वैसे तो मैंने लास्ट मिनट ही पढ़ाई की है, पर आई फील दिस वॉज माई बेस्ट ऑफ माई सेमेस्टर. enjoyed me है like इतना आई फील आई वी डेंट एंजॉय मी बिकॉज सबके एग्जाम्स ख़त्म होते ही सब घर भाग गए थे क्योंकि एवरी वन वॉन्टेड टू मीट देयर फैमिली. किसी ने मिला भाई. आई हैव लिटरली बीच में तो मार्च में इट वॉज लाइक कि आई हैव टू गो होम. आई कैन डू दिस एनी मोर. आई एम सो होम सिक. आई वेंट home for a few days. Then I came back and I'm home. It's like 3 months and I have just talked to my parents on video call, which is crazy. He started learning Japanese in May. Yeah, that is a little update now. Konnichiwa. Toko desu ka? That is a new thing. Then I started researching about branding, marketing, the things I want to learn. Yeah, I also did do reading and a bit of courses in between the whole 6 months, but I feel I didn't enjoy that. I read this book called Almond and I don't know what, but it moved me. I'm just enjoying the book. I'm liking those kind of books and I'm gonna get back to reading. I miss it. Also, May I started getting active again on Twitter, which I missed. And we are now a community of 6.9k people. And I hope to reach 7k by the end of July so that we can achieve 10k by the end of this year. That is that. I have planned my next 6 months. Let me know if you want a video on that too. If I wanted to summarize, it has been draining. But I have showed that every day I have set a routine. And now it feels like May to June felt like I was breaking the pattern. And which was hurting me more. Which is bad. I am done mentally and physically. I was like, I can't respond. मेरा थोड़ा lag चल रहा था. And it has been like I have cried on random days. I've cried the most in the first half, I feel. And I hope you're doing good too. Take rest, take break. I also did take a break. I'm back on routine from today because someone motivated me and wanted that I get back to my recording because that's my best self. I hope you're also working your best. One thing I want to carry forward in 2026 is carrying my discipline and my consistency regardless of my mood. Grateful for everything that has happened in the first half that has turned out good and everything that has turned out bad too, because bad things are just the redirection, and I feel that I'm finding myself more when I get rejected or like things don't work out. I'm gonna edit you up